ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಅರ್ಥ ಐತೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸಾರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅದರಿಂದ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಏನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ
okay I will ask you a question because you all are saying same thing computer is useful and all that is not required what is mean by hardware and what is mean by software
ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ವಿಷಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು
ಓಕೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೊಂದು ಭಾಷೆ
okay fine that is correct okay it is not exactly language software means not exactly language we call it as a package for better understanding about if somebody asks you what is meant by hardware what is meant by software means what you have to say means hardware is anything tangible that is hardware is a part in computer where you can touch it for example monitor we are saying hardware because you can touch it right monitor you can touch it and see keyboard we are saying you can touch it and see CPU we are saying we can touch it you can touch it and feel it that is hardware hard 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 means kadina okay kadina software you cannot touch it we are showing that it is a MS Word MS Paint and all are you able to touch it no you are able to touch the keyboard you are able to touch the mouse but software you cannot touch it whatever the peripherals whatever the component is there whatever is there in the computer it is hardware whatever you work no inside computer you are working on some device right that is software okay you got know what is meant by hardware and what is meant by software you tell me in Kannada you will come you can sit actually you want to become a teacher and all you just think even now you can think what you want to become okay for example you can even say I want to become a homemaker that is I don't want to become anything just I want to sit in home and I want to do something it might be valid option for example you might bring up some very good children like that okay just I am saying because I am asking you don't tell teacher or software engineer or doctor okay got it thanks teacher okay what teacher social okay you like history geography history or geography history okay what is the capital of Karnataka which is the capital of Karnataka wait let's okay so Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka which is the capital of America US that is United States of America America Washington because okay fine computer anda ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಐತೆ okay okay CPU what else okay I will ask you a question because you are not at all saying something I will ask you something what is okay you go on
My name is L Manjunatha 10th standard
okay
it is mother brother illa
ಯಾ ಆಗಬೇಕು wait ಯಾ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾ ಆಗಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು
ನೀನು ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ
My name is teacher
you want to become a teacher
yes.
You have to say I want to become a teacher yes. Okay what teacher you want to become
English or Kannada
Hindi teacher yes. Okay computer gotta now you attended the class right that's the yes. thing okay I will ask you what is mean by file
means letter and write
you can write those things
yes.
and save it in a file
yes.
okay whatever you write the A B C D and all you will write it and finally you will save it in a file that is file
yes.
where you will store that file I will ask him okay
yes.
Israel
my name is AM Atik Pasha 10th standard ನೀನೇನಾಗಬೇಕು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ English teacher
okay you want to become an English teacher okay why you like English
yes
you like English it's a very good thing right Many people don't like English, right? We love our mother tongue only, right? Generally, it's very good that you are liking English because that is a very much essential language nowadays, right? English is very much essential language. Okay. So what do you learn from this classroom?
Monitor.
Okay. In the first classroom, what you learned? In the very first classroom, Ramesh took, right? One Ramesh sir came and took, right? First ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಾ? ಯಾವ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Monitor, keyboard,
components of computer ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Second class ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Hardware, software. Windows. Okay, thanks. I will come. Israel.
My name is Venkatesh.
Okay.
I'm 10th standard.
Okay.
Became to police.
You want to become a police. Your ambition is to become a police officer. Okay. So you are going to study IPS. Okay. After +2 you will do a degree, then you will do a IPS. Okay. Okay. What do you learn from these classrooms? Ramesh sir teached you something, right? He teached you something about computer. Okay. I will ask you a question. You are again and again you are saying monitor, CPU and all. What is meant by icons?
Icons ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅದೇ roll number.
Roll number ಇಲ್ಲ icons ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Icons ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐಕಾನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಓಪನ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್. ಓಕೆ 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 police. Okay, you want to become a police officer. What do you learn in the computer classroom? What is meant by taskbar? You tell me. Taskbar, you tell me. Mouse you learned. Okay.
Taskbar star.
Okay, mouse. How many buttons will be there in the mouse? 3 buttons. But nowadays mouse is coming with 2 buttons. One is in right side, another one is in left side. In between there is a space where they are giving a scroll bar. In later classes you will know what is meant by scroll bar. Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is A. Narish Kumar.
Okay.
10th standard.
Okay.
Doctor.
You want to become a doctor? Okay. What do you learn in classroom?
Computer class.
Okay, I will ask you a question. What is meant by menu bar?
Save.
Menu bar will contain lot of menus. Okay. That menus in turn will contain commands. Submenus, right? Menu will contain submenus. And menu, if you click that menu, that application will open. Okay.
My name is Nurullah.
Okay.
10th standard.
Okay.
I became to.
I want to become. You tell me. Yeah.
I want to become.
Become.
So engineer.
You want to become an engineer. Okay. What engineer? Aeronautical engineer. For example, people fly in flight. No, that one we call it as aeronautical engineer, or software engineer, or civil engineer. You want to become a software engineer. Why you want to become a software engineer? Because it gives you, it earns you good money. Because of that, you can be frank actually. Okay. Because of that, you want to become a software engineer. Good. Okay. What do you learn in this classroom?
Monitor is
again you should not come back and say monitor ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ what is meant by scanner?
submarine.
Scanner. What is meant by scanner? Scanner, it is like printer only. Okay, it is also a device. It is a hardware device okay, where if you keep some picture or something, whatever object you keep upon the scanner, it will convert into picture format. It will convert into computer format. For example, if I keep my hand in the scanner, that hand will come in computer. It will get scanned, it will get stored as a file, and that file you can view it in computer. Okay?